class of 2020. This is most definitely not the year that you planned, not the year that you could have expected, and certainly not the year that you could have imagined. We hope that you will be as proud to be a graduate of the Cobb County School District as we are proud to call you a graduate of the Cobb County School District. So from everyone on our one team, we hope that you have accomplished everything that you have set out to accomplish during your high school career. And we also know that we have prepared you for success for that next step. So we wish you the best of luck and the best of success in whatever your next step has in store for you.
Hillgrove class of 2020, seniors, we salute you. We want you to know that even during this unprecedented time, you're still the apple of our eye, and we celebrate you. We want you to think about all of your successes, your high school career for what it has always been, and we want you to know that it far surpasses this moment in time. I'm so grateful that it does not define you. We wish you the best. We wish you success in all that you do, and we love you and we miss you. Congratulations, we are Hillgrove.
Hey Cobb County seniors, my name's Adiba Wasike and I'm the student body president at Hillgrove High School. I know this isn't how we expected our senior year to end, but hey, we went from this to this.
Hey seniors, I know our year didn't exactly end as planned, but we've had a great 4 years, and it's taken a lot of hard work to get where we are now. So be proud of all that you've accomplished, and look back on all the memories that you've made in high school fondly. Even though we can't physically be together in a classroom or on a sports team, know that we're all going through this together, and now more than ever, your parents and your teachers are there to support you. But we're a generation of fighters. Many graduating classes before us have heard the phrase, "Fear not the unknown," but it is us who should take it to heart, in spite of all the unknowns that we're facing right now. I know the class of 2020 is going to go on to do great things, and I wish you all well in your post-secondary plans. Congratulations.
Oh, hey there, Hawks. Almost didn't see you. Well, got some bad news and some good news. Bad news, global pandemic. Not the move. Good news, senior skip semester. But in all seriousness, Hawks, we have a unique opportunity in these trying times. I already know you guys are about to take advantage of that. We have the chance to look back upon the past and reflect and grow before we enter the real world. So I encourage all of you to do just that. I know I will, Hawks. Ciao!
What's up, class of 2020? It's Palmer here, just to remind you that we're in this COVID-19 together. Regardless of what's going on in the world right now, I just want to say congratulations. You got through 12 years of school. We finally made it. So take this as a time not to mourn, but take this as a time to be productive, write, create, do things that make you happy. Don't focus on the bad, but focus on the good. Just remember, we are the Vision 2020.